guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another tutorial using the Shadow Moon Cosmetics Kitty Club. If you saw my May video, you'll know that Shadow Moon Cosmetics is an indie brand in the UK and they do a monthly subscription. You're not tied into anything, you literally just buy it each month that you want it. But basically you get 5 exclusive products that are just for the Kitty Club. They're never going to be on general sale unless there's like a major vote, and it's exclusive and limited to the Kitty Club. So I've done a video on June's, says it like, you know, woof. I thought I'd used all of them, but I lied, I haven't used one of them. So I was feeling all like superior, like I've used every product, but alas I didn't. So these are the shades this month. So June was also a special month because Shadow Moon Cosmetics turned 1. They started June 2019, so the theme of this is celebration. So you have this one is called Cheers and it's a bronzy gold fine glitter. This is the one that I didn't use. You then have this one which is called Growth. I love the labels on it, and then it's this gorgeous green shade, and that is what I've got the centre of my halo eye. You've then got this gorgeous, this is called 1 Year, and it's like a, I don't know, it's a different formula. So it's a pigment, it's like a glitter pigment, but I don't know, it's just like flakes more. I can't really describe it, but it's absolutely stunning, and I've got that as the liner in between my cut crease. You've then got this gorgeous pinky, I'd say it's more pinky than purple, it's not fuchsia. This is called Girlboss, absolutely stunning. This is the shade that I've got in my waterline. And then finally, like my favourite thing out of this whole set, this is called Party. Again, really cute, and it's this chunky glitter with purple and holographic stars. Well, it's purple glitter and then holographic stars. Absolutely stunning. That's what I've got on the inner corner. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm going in with the Beauty Bay Bright Mattes palette, the 42 one, and I'm taking this dark blue shade and I'm going to buff that into, well, a bit above my crease because I do have a slight hood, and I'm going to create the shape that I want my cut crease to be using the brush. As you can see, I sort of swoop it round. I'm then going to build up that pigment. I then go in with the same palette with it's a vibrant blue but obviously paler shade, and I'm going to buff that above where I've just put that navy. This is a lot of backwards and forwards. I go back in with the navy, I go in with this blue, I go back in with the navy, just to make sure that I've got that nice gradient but they are blended well. Like you see, I'm going backwards and forwards, just making sure that everything's nice and blended. I don't know why I said it like that. Kind of digging my brow in this video as well. I then go in with this paler blue and I'm going to buff that on the top. Again, it's a lot of backwards and forwards between all the shades because I want to make sure it's blended, but I want you to be able to see the different tones of blue. If you'd like to know the brushes, let me know and I'll start putting them on the screen. I'm going in with the Clinique Cleansing Balm and a flat brush, and I'm going to cut out my crease with that, clean away the excess, and then go in with the concealer. This way just gives me that nice crisp edge, and I don't have to worry about the blue turning my concealer a different colour. I'm then going in with this apple green, and I'm really sorry but I wasn't in focus so you couldn't see, but you can see the shape I've done. I'm then going to cut out the centre so it's like a halo eye. And as you can see, I'm just trying to buff out my concealer. I then just buff out the edges with the same dark green. And just create like a upside down triangle. I'm then going to go in with the Shadow Moon Cosmetics Pigment in Growth. This is from the June sub, which is what this video is about. And I'm going to place that all along the centre. And as you can see, it's an absolutely stunning pigment. I'm then going in with this paler green just to blend those edges out, so it blends the Growth pigment into the dark one. And then going in with this gorgeous, it's like a flaky glitter. I did mix it with a mixing medium to create it's like a line, but it was more like a paste because it's so quite a thick pigment. But I'm doing it so I can do this line here, as you can see what I'm doing. And it was perfect. Just cleaning up my edges, going back in with that darker green that I used first. And buffing that along. Apologies about the fact that my head is not in focus. I then take the June Sub Girlboss pigment and I'm going to put that in my waterline. And then going to take, after I've done that, the chunky glitter from the sub, the June Sub, which is called Party. And I'm placing that all in my inner corner. And as you can see, it just looks phenomenal. I really, really love this glitter. I think it's stunning. I did put a highlight down first, but it wasn't part of the sub, so I didn't bother showing that. And then I placed the pigment, the glitter, sorry, on top. But I absolutely love this look. What do you think? I think it came out brilliant. Even on the lips, I used a black liquid lip, and then I put the Shadow Moon Cosmetics Perfect pigment on top of it, just to give it a bit of a zhuzh. And yeah, obsessed. So if you want to check it out, go and check the links out that are in my description box. So guys, that's the finished look. What do you think? I tried to do like a posy thing, and then I'm like, I really don't know what to do with my hands when I'm doing this. So like, they all do this, don't they? And I'm like, I don't know what to do with my hands. I want to point out that I'm absolutely sweltering. I can't put my fan on because it's too loud. And then all these studio lights, and then with it being hot outside, I'm dying. Can you tell? I hope I don't look sweaty. Anyway, sidetrack. This is the finished look. What do you think? I think it looks amazing. I wanted to be a bit extra when I did this one. I am going to do a few more videos in the month of June just to show you like the diversity of this of the products basically. Especially one year I want to do like a brown blown out smoky eye with one year. I think it'll be stunning. Like I said, if you want to check out the Kitty Club, I will leave the link down below, which is you can straight away get to. Now you can't get June's are sold out, but you can buy July's. As of filming this, they still have some left in July, so fingers crossed they have still got some. But definitely check it out. It is £10 a month plus £2 shipping in the UK. I do believe it's more if you live out of the country, so just check the site for that. But I know in the UK it's £2 because that's what I pay. And even though I do get some of their products in PR, I pay for the Kitty Club myself. And my discount code does not work on the Kitty Club, so I'm not gonna, I'll put it in like my description box that I've got a discount code, but it only works on single items. It doesn't work on the bundles, the Kitty Club or the mystery bag. Anyway, I'm waffling really fast. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out Shadow Moon Cosmetics on Instagram and Facebook. I also do lives for Shadow Moon Cosmetics every other Monday, so if you want to come and see me play with the products there and then and you can see how they work, you know, there's no editing involved. Not that I'm greatest at editing anyway, but anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let me know what you think down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! I just waffled.